The first one would be the body mass index, which will use your height and weight to give you an approximate estimation whether you are lying in an underweight category, in a normal healthy category, or in an overweight obese category. The second parameter would be the body fat percentage, which will give you an estimate about the fat mass and the muscle mass present in your body. So it will let you know whether you are reducing your body fat mass and increasing your muscle mass or not if you keep a track upon this. The third parameter would be to calculate your current strength level, but there is no such device which does that for you. So in this case, you can calculate the number of repetitions or the amount of loads which you can lift with a particular exercise, and later on you can see whether you are improving with these numbers or not. The fourth parameter would be to calculate your resting heart rate, which will give you an approximate idea about your current cardiovascular strength. And as you get more condition and increase your cardiovascular strength, you'll see that your resting heart rate will reduce. So these were the 4 parameters which you must track before starting your fitness journey to set some realistic goal and use your progress as your motivation to stay consistent and achieve all your goals.